We are all graced today to be here in the presence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who Archbishop Desmond Tutu called a beacon of light to our world. And I think this is really important, especially in our time right now, where so many people are thinking that the world is being captured by darkness, by pain, by fear. And I just wanted to remind everyone that even if you're in a darkened room, that all you need is one match to bring light. And if you have a lot of light, then a lot of matches coming together, you can create a flame that can illuminate and help us move forward our world. Bill and Tanny have been tending this flame for a long time, and they brought a lot of hope to people who have issues with hearing. I've been on mission with them many times, and it's quite moving. And as Tanny just said, the ear is the road to the heart. So today, let's listen, share this wisdom, allow it to talk to us on the issue of compassion and conscious giving. Please allow this to resonate with you today, inside of your bodies. Give yourself the desire to continue to give and even to give more. Just for a second, right before we begin, maybe we'll just take a moment just to relax, just to breathe. Thank you. Your Holiness, I am so blessed to be here with you today.
Thank you. I think better to relax 1 hour.
We're relaxing in your company. It's good to be with you again. I guess I'll start with the very first question that I've been asking you to.
Yes.
And that is just, how would you define compassion?
Sense of concern of others, including animals, birds, insects. Occasionally, I find it difficult to keep compassion towards mosquito, particularly during sort of sound sleep. Then mosquito. Then sometimes I take some wrathful action like that. Thank you. So, I think compassion, there are lots of it. Compassion, I think there are many aspects. The sincere sort of concern of others' well-being. That also, you see, very much based on awareness, your own experience. Others show us affection. We feel very happy. And with affection, they are ready to help us. So then, think that way to others. If we show affection, they get, immense, joy. And with affection, ready to help. Then another thing of compassion is, more compassionate mind there, your whole life can carry honestly, truthfully. That brings inner strength, self-confidence, nothing to hide, transparent. So firstly, as a result of practice of compassion, you gain inner strength, reduce fear, and you find more friends. We are social animal. On top of that, then we are social animal. Friendship is very important. in order to develop genuine friendship, trust is key factor. In order to develop trust, first you show them your sincere concern of their well-being, then trust comes. So I feel. And then another, I think, aspect about affection, compassion. Because of the compassion, you see, develop self-confidence. So our, I think, best part of our brain, our unique thing about human being is intelligence. So in order to function our intelligence properly, your basic mind must be calm. With anger disturb your mind, then even though you analyze something, your way to analyze is biased. So you can't see the reality or full picture of the reality, just one side. With calm mind, then we can see more holistic. Then our intelligence have the opportunity to analyze all aspects of that. So your attitude become then more realistic. Now here, I think too long, too much. When I open my mouth, I always continuously.
Yeah.